Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one absolutely beautiful 1966 Vette. She's numbers matching, 427, 425 horse, numbers matching transmission. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. The paint is beautiful, the chrome is beautiful, the emblems are gorgeous. Look at that, Stingray, baby. All the body lines are nice, those headlights are beautiful. Look down the side of this baby, straight as an arrow. Body work on it is phenomenal. The stainless around the windshield looks great. The rubber looks great. Let's check out the interior. Look at that. Beautiful in there. Door panels in beautiful shape. Door jamb looks good. Steering wheel's in great shape. 4-speed shifter's looking good. Center console's looking great. Upholstery on the seats looking great. Carpeting looks great back there in the back. Look at this baby. She looks like she's ready to go racing. Headliner looks good. Check out the dash too. All the gauges and the faces of the gauges are looking great. It is one beautiful car, man. Corvette. Got great looking wheels on it, and the side pipes. Chrome on the back bumpers looking slick. The bezels on the taillights look good. Fuel fill also looking good. Emblem back here looking great. Stainless around the back window, fitting good and looking good. You look down the passenger side here, look at the body work on that. Absolutely beautiful. Love the spinners. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this 66 Vette, so you can bet we've spent the time to check it out before we bought it. Then the first thing that happens when the cars get here to our shop is we put them up on the rack and check them all out so we can answer all your questions. Now we're bringing in about 40 new cars every month, so make sure you watch us on Facebook, YouTube, and our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can check us out there often. We've always got new inventory coming in. And you can call Tom anytime at 248-974-9513. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. Call him with any question. Now, I've been in the business for about 35 years, and I'm using that experience every day to help you pick out your dream car. Let's take a 66 Vette for a ride. Numbers matching big block under the hood. Side pipes sounding awesome. I tell you, big block power in a 66 Vette. Let's go racing, guys. This car's sweet. She is amazing. I tell you, I really never saw the draw to Corvettes till I started driving one, so these things are definitely built to go racing. It is a blast to drive them. It's actually an honor to drive these cars. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. So you just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. And if you want some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too, no problem whatsoever. We got 3 different bankers we work with. They'll actually take some of these cars out to 10 years now, making it really easy to park this dream in your drive. I tell you, it's going straight down the road, but the steering wheel is not straight. I'm gonna have the guys put it up on our computerized alignment rack and make sure they get that steering wheel nice and straight for you. Now, as you can see down here on the dash, the tack is working, the speedo's working, the gas gauge is working. We got oil pressure and water temp here. It does have the stock radio. A course, it is 4-speed and it's shifting awesome. That side exhaust is sounding great. One of the funnest things about driving a 4-speed when you got a nice exhaust system is making that exhaust sing. I tell you, it is music to my ears, these big blocks. Now we're real close to the airport here at Vanguard. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. We'll actually come down to the airport and pick you up if you'd like to fly in and check out this car in person. Now, we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, but we do love to have customers come in. I love meeting my customers. So please come on in if you have the ability. If you'd like to drive in, we're actually here on Saturdays. If you want a road trip on a Saturday, just call Tom, let him know you're coming so we can have your favorite vehicle right up front, because we do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 240 cars right now. So that's a lot of cars, guys. We may have to dig your favorite car out. Now here's our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside, and then we're gonna pop the hood and see what's going on under the hood. All right, we're underneath this 66 Vette now, nice and clean under here. There is a spare tire inside that spare tire holder. All the bushings and everything back here looks satisfactory. The brakes have been rebuilt on the car. All the cross members, everything's looking good under here. Right around the 360 gear, and of course it is Posi. Frame solid as a rock. All you Corvette guys know you gotta check out the dog legs here in the frame. It is solid as a rock. Cross member looks good. Again, the cross member is one of the first things to go. The Muncie transmission is numbers matching. It's got the stock appearing bell housing. It does have the mechanical clutch. And of course, it does have side pipes on it. We do have, looks like a steering damper on here. All the bushings up front look good. The front brakes have also been rebuilt. It looks like, I can see what looks like probably a couple new ball joints were put in at one time. Bottom side of this car is nice and clean, nice and solid. All the chrome looks good. All the fiberglass looks awesome. I mean, this is one nice Corvette on the bottom side, guys. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, we got a set of real knockoffs on this car. This is really cool, guys, from back in the day. This is race car stuff right here. 205 75 15s, and again, side pipe covers look good, the rocker molding looks good, and man, look at that paint, looking gorgeous. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here again, great looking knockoffs, and again, like I said, they are real knockoffs. Look, not a mark on them anywhere, and again, the size on the tire, 205 75 15. Let's get under the hood and take a look at that numbers matching power plant. All right, under the hood here, we've got the numbers matching 427, 425 horse. It's got the correct intake on it. It's got the numbers matching 780 Holley carb on top. Looks like the exhaust manifolds are correct. They've been all cleaned up. The plug wires are correct. It does have manual brakes, and it does have manual steering, because this is a go-fast car, guys. Looks like it's got a brand new AC Delco battery in it. The top side of the upper suspension here looks good. It's got a fan clutch on it. The radiator's nice and clean. It looks like the alternator's fine, fairly new. Guys, the underneath side of this car looks amazing. She's a 66 Vette. It's got a numbers matching 427 in it. Numbers matching trans. You don't find these. These are very, very rare. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.